Despite financial challenges, ChargePoint keeps charging along. Its network spans over 1.25 million charging ports worldwide, and the company has powered more than 16 billion electric miles. Now it's introducing Safeguard Care, a new service designed to ensure the reliability of its charging stations. This program is currently available in 6 launch markets and utilizes a network of trained service providers to conduct routine inspections and maintenance. The goal is to identify and repair common issues on-site, minimizing downtime and providing a seamless charging experience for EV drivers. As the original manufacturer of the chargers, ChargePoint can ensure high standards of service and support. With Safeguard Care, station owners and EV drivers can have peace of mind knowing that chargers will be in optimal working condition. The service is particularly beneficial for charging providers with high traffic and distributed charging stations, such as municipalities, parking garages, and workplaces. These organizations often lack dedicated staff to inspect and maintain their stations regularly, making Safeguard Care an ideal solution. Each visit includes a comprehensive visual inspection, cleaning, minor repairs, and a test charge to confirm functionality. When combined with ChargePoint Assure, Safeguard Care provides a comprehensive support system for station owners. Issues that cannot be resolved on-site are escalated to ChargePoint's support team for prompt follow-up, ensuring that chargers remain operational. To make things even better, ChargePoint partnered with Eaton to accelerate the development of electric vehicle charging infrastructure in the US, Canada, and Europe. The collaboration's goal is to provide turnkey EV charging solutions, incorporating chargers, electrical infrastructure, and technical services to facilitate electrification in various sectors, including public transportation, workplace, fleet, and residential areas. As a first-of-its-kind partnership in the industry, it aims to speed up vehicle-to-everything innovation, enabling electric vehicles to act as power sources for homes and buildings through bidirectional power flow. According to ChargePoint CEO Rick Wilmer, this collaboration addresses significant challenges in electric transportation and strengthens the company's position as a comprehensive EV ecosystem provider. Eaton's extensive knowledge of energy transition plays a crucial role in streamlining infrastructure design, reducing costs, improving site power, and ensuring reliability. ChargePoint's cloud platform oversees infrastructure and EV integration, promoting large-scale decarbonization.